Financial case management. We all know how important reimbursement is, and sometimes we know how hard it is to get the reimbursement. So the process of authorization, benefits, billing and collections becomes incredibly important. Our financial case manager is fantastic, and her role in our facility starts from the minute the patient's scheduled. Within 48 hours, she's already contacted the insurance company for the exact benefits. She contacts the patients to make sure that they would like to go through with the joint replacement surgery. The last thing we want is a last-minute cancellation. Her job can be difficult, as she has to tell patients sometimes they may owe thousands of dollars for a procedure. She has to collect the money. No one likes to collect money from people. That's her job, and she does it extremely well. Therefore, in your Recovery Suites model, one of the most important roles we will help you fill is the financial case manager. Through training and experience, we're going to make that person responsible for managing the reimbursement of all the surgeries that you do. Let us help you in developing that relationship with your patients, finding your financial case manager, and finally making sure that you're collecting when you're billing the payers.